Today, we're starting a new series for people who want to get started in Bitcoin. If that is you, then you have to watch this video because I'm going to show you today how to buy Bitcoin, but I'm also going to clear up one of the biggest myths about buying Bitcoin that I found people outside of crypto believe. So whether you are new to Bitcoin or you're a person that wants to help bring more people into Bitcoin, then make sure to watch this video. Let's get it. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, your one-stop shop for all things Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Today, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to buy Bitcoin. Now, for a lot of you guys, you know this. It's really easy stuff. However, I want to explain to you guys a myth that people outside of crypto believe about buying Bitcoin. I know this because I've talked to several people and they believe this one thing. And I think when we clear this up, a lot of people who are hesitant to get into cryptocurrency but have been thinking about it will go ahead and take the plunge and invest. So here is the myth. You have to buy a whole Bitcoin. People look at the price and they say, wow, the price of Bitcoin right now is $7,500 or $8,000 or even $10,000 depending on the day. And it scares them away. They say, I don't want to put or don't have enough to put into an account to buy a whole Bitcoin. If you didn't know, the average American lives paycheck to paycheck, and so do most people in other countries. What that means is the average person doesn't have enough disposable income to buy a whole Bitcoin. But the good news is that is just a myth. You can buy any amount of Bitcoin. So a dollar is broken into 100 cents. So 100 pennies equals $1. In Bitcoin, what we would say is comparable to a penny would be a Satoshi. Satoshi Nakamoto was the creator of Bitcoin. He's anonymous. We don't actually know who he is. So the penny of a Bitcoin is called a Satoshi named after the creator. Okay, so we know a dollar has 100 pennies in it. So how many Satoshis does a Bitcoin have? The answer may surprise you. The answer is actually 100 million Satoshis. So a Bitcoin can be broken down 100 million times. Now, you're probably not going to be able to find anywhere where you can buy one Satoshi because that's going to be like trying to get a penny. It's a very small amount, but even in Bitcoin, it's much smaller than one penny. However, you can buy $5 worth of Bitcoin or $10 worth of Bitcoin, and that's going to equate to a certain number of Satoshis based on the value of Bitcoin for that day. That's why I tell everybody that I talk to about Bitcoin, and I don't feel guilty about it, just buy $10 worth of Bitcoin, buy $10 or $20, and then from there, if you watch the price and you get excited about it, you get interested, then you'll want to know more about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. That's honestly how most of us got involved in this, is we got excited about the price and then we learn more about it. So, okay, you've decided you're ready to take the plunge. You want to buy 10 or 20 bucks worth of Bitcoin, a very small amount. Where are the two best places to do it? Well, the two best places for beginners are Coinbase or Cash App. Those are the two most popular ways. Now, a lot of people that have been in crypto for a while and are experienced, they have other ways to get into cryptocurrency, such as the Monarch app, that the Monarch wallet that supports the channel. So if you're a little more experienced, you want to try the Monarch wallet, you can do that. But if you want to try Coinbase or Cash App, you guys can do that. I have a link down in the video description where you get $10 and I get $10. I'm trying to get rich, right? In Bitcoin just for using that link. And for Cash App, we both get $5 free if you use my code. Now, there are fees associated with this, but for $10 or $20, obviously the fee is going to be a very small amount, probably somewhere around $1 to $2, something like that. Now, Cash App also does have a fee. Right now, it's lower than the Coinbase fee. But in either case, the point is, I want you guys to buy Bitcoin. I want you guys to come into the space with us, learn more about Bitcoin and why we believe that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency are going to change the world. We believe that this is a movement that is going to drastically affect and raise the quality of life for all people on the earth. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to try Coinbase or Cash App or the Monarch wallet if you're a little more advanced. And remember, if you talk to someone who thinks they have to buy a whole Bitcoin, or you know someone that believes that, make sure that you show them this video and have them subscribe to my channel so they will learn more about how to get into Bitcoin during this Beginner's Guide to Bitcoin series we're going to be doing. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. BitBoy out.